Hi, I'm Brandon Wolf, a certified PYFP trainer. And in this video, we're going to show you the correct way to do the pacer test.
The first thing to decide is if you're going to run a 20 meter or a 15 meter pacer with your students. Once that's decided, have the students line up behind the start line, and at the start command, the students will run to the opposite line before they hear the beep. At the sound of the beep, the students will run back to the start line. The students will keep running until they have missed 2 beeps, or if you as the teacher stops them. Make sure that you have a cool down procedure for your students once they are finished the test. Here are some safety considerations when you're running the pacer assessment. Remind the students to pace themselves and not to start off too fast. Ensure that each student has enough space between them and the other student running beside them. Make sure you watch out for undue fatigue. The score of the pacer test is the laps completed by the student. Remember, first miss counts, second miss ends the assessment and does not count. Here are some tips for success. The triple beat signifies the end of a level and an increase in speed. Listen for the triple beep. Group students according to fitness levels. This motivates students at all levels of fitness. And be sure the distance you use matches the cadence you use as well.